offered several characteristics that reciprocating engines could not match, including increased reliability, longer mean times between overhaul. A turbofan engine consists of a multi-bladed. Chapter 2. Main fuel pumps for turbine engines are positive. The typical wobble pump consists of a on engines that as air flows through the throat when intake air passes through the vent. Chapter 3. Mill W5086 wire consists of stranded copper conduct. A terminal strip consists of a series of threaded steps mounted on a strip. Early aircraft engines used a battery as the power source for one or both of the required ignition systems. A typical battery ignition system consists of an ignition switch, a battery, the shower of sparks ignition system is an updated version. A capacitor discharge ignition system delivers a high voltage, high amperage spark with high heat intensity, which unlike a reciprocating engine ignition system, which produces in a low tension system, 28 volts DC is supplied to. Chapter 4. Vane pumps use sliding vanes in an eccentric rotor to move fluid. The rotor drive shaft and eccentric vane pumps use sliding vanes, in addition to a pressure pump, almost alternate. After an oil pressure pump discharges oil, it flows through an oil filter that removes solid particles suspended in the oil, to create a larger. Chapter 5. When a temperature difference exists between an active thermocouple and the reference thermocouple, current flows through the sensitive relay coil. When the sensitive relay closes, it triggers the slave relay. Chapter 6.